All right. Hello, everyone. Hi, how are you? Happy Friday. Thank you so much for joining the live stream again. So let's start the live. This is the 25th of November. So thank you so much for joining. And thank you for coming back to my live stream today. So yeah, looks like markets are a bit quiet today, but let's screen charts and see what's happening in the markets now. Okay, all right, so let me see. Let me switch screen. Okay, so I have new accounts in SNS. Sorry, I think SNS is the Japanese way of saying social media, so I think I should put social media. Okay, sorry. So social media, I started the new Facebook and new Instagram, and the links are on the below description. So feel free to follow me as I upload some of my lives in these accounts. Oh, today actually there was a window cleaner which I posted on the Facebook. So here's my Facebook page. And I just posted this, there's a window cleaner on my building, and that was really, brave. Yeah. Yeah, big respect to them. Yeah, if I was asked to clean the windows like this, I would never do this. I would never be able to do so. Yeah, I really appreciate. This happens every 3 or 4 months, but yesterday or the day before, there was heavy rain in Dubai, and the windows get a bit dirty. So I'm really happy that they clean the window now. So yeah, so that's some updates on my life. Yeah, thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you. Oh, Shankui, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining on my YouTube channel. And also welcome to the Ichimoku membership. So once you join the membership, make sure you click on the how to join and come to Discord group. Oh, this is sunrise. I captured sunrise, and there was a cloud underneath of my room, and that was beautiful. It was so beautiful. That's why I took a quick video and uploaded. So yeah, amazing view. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Master of Oscar, James, Manuel, TikTok, Nasser, SAS, John, thank you for joining. Sammy, Ditendra, and Rain, Mark, John Nguyen, good to see you. Good to see you here. Let's see. Hold on, let me keep repeating this. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's see who else is here. Okay, and yeah, John Nguyen, Plant-Demic, and Maximoku, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Kevin, also good to see you. All right. Oh, Shafa, oh, you can't see the join button. So then maybe your YouTube is restricted. So I think you have to use VPN to get the the join button. All right. Well, Plandemic watching from Hong Kong. Thank you for joining. Great to see you. Okay. Restless. Good to see you too. Jitendra says, I want to praise you for hitting the bull eyes for predicting, let me see, hold on, okay, for predicting accurate Bank Nifty 43,000. It crossed yesterday. Oh, okay, yeah, so new target is now 44,000 or 45,000. I was actually watching the Bank Nifty a Nifty 50 chart today, and wow, it just keeps going up. So the markets are really active in stock markets, but not so much in Forex. So I think I'm ready to buy some stock markets now. So this is Nifty 50. I know there are lots of traders from India, so let me touch on this one. Nifty, it broke the resistance in the month of November, and it's going up to the all-time high of 18,603.75. Yeah, and Bank Nifty just keeps going up. It broke the target of 43,000, so now the next target is 44,000. Of course, along the way there might be some retracements, but as long as price above Tenkan Sen, it should be fine. And as long as Kijun Sen points up, it should be fine. Yeah, so the stock markets are really strong these days. So that's a target for this. Alright, yeah. It's like a show, that window cleaning. Right. Yeah, that window cleaning was, it happens every like 3 or 4 months. And it happened actually today, so yeah. Big respect for these brave people. Okay, so now let me see. John says USD in 1 hour seems to be appearing as Sanyaku, although I know you mentioned it's only for the higher time frames. Yeah, Sanyaku Koten Gyakuten signals only would work in 4 hour or the daily or higher time frames. But let me check. Because if it's stably up, I think that would be good. And also if the market broke the thick part of the Kumo, then it may work also. Oh yeah, so this one, no, because Sanyaku breakout already happened here on the 11th. And today it broke second time. So this is a fake. Now this is range. This is the USD, right? Yeah, so USD, this Kumo breakout becomes fake in this case because this is second time. If the market keeps going down, if it broke these two resistances, then that was good. But now it's becoming range. I was watching the pound USD and pound CAD today because they are up in these higher time frames. Pound USD is up and pound CAD is also up now. It's about to break the resistance, but not quite. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, sorry. I was watching the daily. Let me check the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour shows the Sanyaku signal. Yeah, but this is not really okay. Tenkan Sen continues to keep loss, so this is overheating market, so the market may reverse back to it. So you don't want to enter trading. Okay, Shafa says, I really like to join the community, but this button is not there. I probably should set available customer on. So for today's live stream, I want to make it a bit more casual style. So I will talk about topics, main topics, about my community, about the market, about what I do, and so on. So this is more like a relaxing style of it's because there are not many So here is my website. In case if you can find the join button, then hover over services, Ichimoku community, and click on here. And then if you scroll down, services Ichimoku community and click on how to join. Click on how to join. And scroll down a little bit, and you can find here, join button is visible only PC. You cannot see it on mobile or tablet. And in case you cannot join the join button, please refer to below video. So please watch this video over here and try to find the join button. I'm sure it will resolve the problem. And thank you for joining the Ichimoku community. So please also access to this webpage and scroll down and click here to join Discord, Ichimoku Discord, and get all the perks. Alright. Yeah, thank you so much. Currently the YouTube, the Ichimoku community is managed by YouTube, and YouTube has some issues and problems, sometimes technical issues. Sometimes join button doesn't appear, sometimes Discord link doesn't work. So I'm actually thinking to manage the Ichimoku community on my own platform, manage the transactions, not through YouTube, but through my own payment system, payment gateway. So once the change is happening, then I will let everyone know. So let's come back to some charts now. Pound CAD is retracing to the support level. Pound CAD is retracing to the support level. Let's see. Let me take the daily. Let me see. Yeah, so, I think I lost a comment. Yeah, pound CAD, right? Yeah, it's reaching to the support, resistance now. Right, retracing to support. It's going to, still going up, looks like. This one's still bullish. And I think the market will break the resistance next Monday or Tuesday and continuously bullish. So, yeah. There's no sign of retracement right now, so I think this one continued to be bullish in my eyes. Alright, Eric, thank you for joining. It's been a while. Good to have you back here. Thank you for joining. Also, Bagim and Alert 1964, thank you for joining. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I think VPN will resolve the issue. For sure, I think. FX says, are you passionate about the football? The World Cup is currently happening in Qatar and you in Dubai will probably be nearby too. Yes, it's very close, but I'm not a big fan of the football. But I saw what happened yesterday, right? Japan won. So yeah, it's an epic moment. Okay, Onkar, thanks for joining. Makisimoku says, pound Swiss franc is trending. Okay, let me see. Pound Swiss franc is trending. Okay, daily still shows flat, but in the short term it's bullish. Tenkan-sen is up, so that means in the short term it's bullish. So that means we may see uptrend in the lower time frames. Let's see the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour is now up. It slightly broke the resistance, I think. Actually, the resistance levels exactly on the same level, so I prefer to wait for the break of the resistance of 1.1466 level. I think Kijun-sen is up because low gets higher for the last 26. Yeah, that's why Kijun-sen is up. So that means buyers are here, sellers are less. So yeah, this one will break, I think. Just to make sure that there was no resistances previously. So there were some minor resistances, but this one here is the major over here. So that will be the ultimate target. 1.1577 is the target on this one. Yeah, so let me check 1 hour. 1 hour is continuously bullish, but again, I prefer to wait for the break. Because this is on the resistance, it may become double top. So we have to wait for the break and buy afterwards. Okay. Jorg says, how you look NQ, Nasdaq? Let me see, Nasdaq today I didn't check, I simply checked the Forex pairs, but let's see. Oh, it's going down. Okay, 1 hour is going down. Today is bearish, retracing. Daily still in the Kumo, so this one is not really a good market to trade. I prefer Dow Jones or S&P to follow uptrend, because again, Nasdaq is the only one among 3 US indices that this is in the Kumo on the daily. So lower time frames may be spiky, and when it retraces, it tends to go really fast. So I think Dow Jones is good. Dow Jones, if it breaks the resistance level of 34,200, then I think it goes up continuously, which may happen next week also. But I will share more detailed analysis on these markets on Sunday's forecast. So please look forward to it. Last week I wasn't able to do because I got the skin problem on my face. I got the shingles on my face, but now it's getting much better now. So yeah, sorry, I think the Facebook had the advertisements. That's why, sorry, you hear some background, but I don't think you hear anymore, right? I think it's gone. Sorry, I think I'm watching the old comments. I have to catch up. Oh, sorry, it was a soccer, it was a football news, sorry. I think that was the ad on Facebook. I forgot to turn it off, sorry. Now it's okay, right? Now it's okay? That's the background, sorry. Okay, so okay, let me come back to comments. Let me come back to the market. Sorry about the I see so many comments about the football. Sorry. Okay, Mars says pound Swiss franc is KTS in the 4-hour and 6-minute charts. Yeah, but we have to wait for the resistance breakout in this one. Right. Yeah, because when it's close to the resistance level, it tends to spike. Because sellers in the short term will be here also, and buyers in the long term is here, and they are fighting here. So usually the market tends to be very spiky in this area. Okay. Senegal. Okay, so that was the ads of the football. Okay. Manish says, hello sir, how are you? If I'm taking buy position in the 4-hour chart, so where to put my stop loss? Should it be low of that 4-hour candle, else swing low of the lower time frame, because I'm right everywhere but my stop loss hit. So if you are the swing trader, depends on the style. If you're the swing trader, then you can put the stop loss below the Tenkan-sen or below Kijun-sen and simply follow uptrend. But if you are a scalper or the intraday trader, then you can put the stop loss based on the lower time frames. I usually set the stop loss based on the 5-minute waves. Let me see, if I check the 5-minute right now, and if I were to buy now, then I put the stop loss maybe here or here. I see the waves on the 5 and decide where to put the stop loss. Yeah, Roman says, does KTS work for indices? Yeah, I haven't traded yet in live, but I have backtested it on the indices and it works really well. Especially indices tends to trend longer than Forex. So, and my strategy is basically the trend follow. So when there is a strong trend, then it works really well. Yeah, CAC France also broke the resistance and still being bullish. Euro stocks continuously bullish. So all the indices are bullish now. FTSE 100 is also bullish. It's reaching to the resistance level of 75.11. Yeah. Oh, gold. Yeah, gold is up in the short term, but daily is flat. Actually, I checked that a couple of hours ago. Yeah, gold is today is retracing, but for the last 3 days it has been bullish, and I think this will be bullish because of the price actions, not about the Ichimoku, but in terms of the price actions, there was a W bottom and neckline breakout, and after the neckline break, it actually went back to the neckline as a support, and then now it's going up. So I'm still waiting for the this Tenkan-sen breakout on the daily and follow uptrend and expect this market to break the next resistance of 70.86 level over here. So yeah, but today is bearish. Today is bearish and overall it's still ranging. This is in the long term. In the long term, it's bullish. So here's a 4 hour. 4 hour shows it's in the Kumo, so no direction. And weekly shows it's on the Kijun Sen now, and it looks like it's retracing back to Kumo. So still waiting for the chance for me. I don't trade in this case yet. I'm still waiting for the chance to come. Okay. Bharat, thank you so much for a comment. Yes, my health condition is much better now. Yes, much better because I have no pain anymore, so I can sleep well these days. But last week was terrible. This week is okay. Next week should be perfect. When you backtest indices, do you backtest as if it's CFDs or futures? As if it's the CFDs, I backtest. I backtested on this trading view, bar replay, in multiple time frames. I kind of switch time frames in one screen and try to take buy and keep holding, and it has been working really well. It's for the long term though. It's not for the intraday or day trade like Forex, but it's more for the long term. Okay. Oh, Optimus, thank you for coming back. Yeah, long time. Welcome back here. Thanks so much. So what else to look at? Today, basically they are all ranging, so nothing really to talk about the market, to be honest. Euro USD, I'm waiting for the breakout of 1.0481, and Euro AD ranging. Euro Pound is going down. I'm waiting for the support level breakout of 0.8572. Euro JPY is ranging. Euro CAD is up now. Euro Swiss franc ranging. USD JPY is going down, about to break the support. USD CAD is ranging now, retracing. USD Swiss franc is near support, but today is bullish, so it may take time for the breakout. But I'm still waiting for the breakout of the support 0.9357. So I keep down arrow like this. Pound USD is bullish. Pound JPY is also bullish. Pound CAD is bullish also. Pound AUD is ranging. Pound Swiss franc is up in the short term. So I think this one is good in the 4 hour to follow. It's about to break the resistance. So waiting for that to happen and plan to buy. But this is Friday. Today is Friday, so most likely I won't trade. I will come back on Monday and look for some opportunities, Monday or Tuesday. Because Mondays are usually my day off, so I don't usually trade. I screen charts on Monday, but I don't take trades because I prefer to relax and enjoy my life on that day. So AUD USD is about to break the resistance, still waiting for that to happen. AUD CAD is also about to break the resistance. AUD JPY is ranging. AUD Swiss franc ranging. CAD JPY is going down. Broke the neckline of double top. So I think this one will go down. But today's retracing, ranging. In a lower time frame like 1 hour, there is no direction. So I'm away from the chart. And the CAD Swiss franc is, this one is retracing backwards. Swiss franc JPY is ranging. So yeah, looks like we have lots of quiet markets. All the Forex markets are basically quiet. Okay. Muhammad says Wall Street. What do you mean? Can you type more detail? Yeah, so CAD Swiss franc is ranging. I think basically all the markets are ranging now. So I think we don't trade today. I think we shouldn't trade today. It's Friday. So most likely, even if you take a trade, it won't be make profits. So yeah, it's not really time efficient to trade. Let me check the strength chart. Let me check the strength chart. If strength chart also shows flat, then I don't take trade. Okay, for the strength chart, USD is currently very strong, and Euro is weak. So Euro USD is going down. And as we look at the Euro USD, it was bullish, but today is bearish. It's going against the major direction, so still not a good chance. 1 hour is about to break the Kumo, but yeah, it may take a bit more time. Okay, Amin says, the great thanks from your beloved Mr. K. Can you say what is your recommended pair for trade? I don't have a specific pair that I like the most. I simply treat all the pairs as equal level of recommendation, because I have backtested it with my strategy of all these pairs, 100 trades I did in the Forex Tester, and I proved that my strategy works on these pairs, and that's why they are here. But for example, New Zealand pair, I backtested it with my strategy, but I couldn't see the good result, and that's why I simply don't take New Zealand pairs. Okay, Maximox says, is there a risk of gap when you hold a Forex trade over the weekend? Does the price fluctuate during the weekend, or will Monday start where Friday left off? Yes, there might be a gap, risk of gap between Friday and Monday, right? So if you don't run enough profits, big profits, I recommend you to exit with a profit and come back Monday. Also on the Mondays, usually when the market opens in New Zealand and Australia, the market tends to spike. So, and the spread gets very wide. So I don't recommend to keep holding over the weekend unless you run enough pips. The tender says, by using Ichimoku, you mean that we shouldn't use any other indicators like RSI, ADX, Stochastics, moving average, etc. I think that Ichimoku is all in one indicator. Please explain. Yeah, so I only use Ichimoku to check the market condition and direction and which market to select. So I don't use other indicators with Ichimoku because I want to make the chart clean, but I do look at the price actions and lines and the waves with Ichimoku. That I do, but in terms of indicators, I don't use them. Because again, I'm a trend follower, so all I'm curious is whether the market is trending or not. And when it's trending, I enter trade. When it's not trending, I stay away. And Ichimoku works the best to capture the trending market, and that is my strategy. But Ichimoku actually has also the ranging strategy. When it's ranging, you can also take trades by Ichimoku. But for me, I'm a trend follower, so that's why I don't really talk about the ranging strategies of Ichimoku. Okay. Oh, Dan, maybe he means Dow Jones. Oh, okay, Dow Jones is bullish, right? It's near the resistance, so waiting for that resistance breakout. Yeah, so here is Dow Jones. Yeah, it's about to break. Yeah, it's on the resistance now, and we have two dojis in the daily time frame. So let me check the, let's see, 5 minute to see if this is going to be breaking or not. You can tell based on the price actions. Okay, and in price actions, we don't know. We don't know whether it breaks or not, unfortunately, because this is an Y wave. And this is difficult to see which way it's going. And when you see Y wave, it tends to fake. There might be a fake breakout and reverse. So yeah, that will be a tricky market. I will revise the resistance level to here to be more precise, and waiting for that breakout, 34,288 breakout. Okay, Mara says, when you backtest in Forex Tester, do you backtest in forward only mode? Yes, I do. Yeah, I don't replay, I don't go back and forth in a tester. I only go forward and take trades, take entries and exits. But I pick random charts in a tester. Just my inspiration. For example, let's say if I'm a backtest on the Euro USD today, then I may pick 2015 from January to December, and then simply run chart, run the tester, and yeah, see the result. Right, US is a holiday, and that's why, yes, I think that's why the markets are quiet. Okay, so it was Dow Jones, alright. Nicholas says, I had 2 losses on Euro CAD and Pound USD yesterday. Every time I enter, the market goes against me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, the retracements do happen, but if it happens too often, then you might want to, in that case, one thing I would do is I don't trade. I monitor chart and I look for the confirmations, and when I find the next entry timing with the confirmations, I don't take it and see how it goes. Yeah, sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't feel like trading. And I think this is from my experience. Something in myself tells me that it may not be the right timing, and then I don't. And the result may be the market may go towards my direction without my positions, or the market goes back. And I just observe and see more patterns in the markets. So if you keep losing, if you took 2 losses yesterday, then that will be my advice. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, if you see the opportunity, then don't take it. Just watch. Okay, Optimus says Euro USD 1 hour sank getting up, awaiting the Kumo breakout. Euro USD 1 hour, yeah, it's about to break, but I think it will take time to break. Let me see how many pips there is. Oh, only 21 pips. So this may happen today, and Monday perhaps you can come back and look for the sell chance if it breaks like this way. But since this is 1 hour, the market may reverse back very soon. So you have to be careful by following 1 hour Kumo breakout, because it may not really work. Let's see. Euro USD Kumo breakout worked here previously, and in this area Kumo breakout happened, then it just reversed, but it kind of worked here too. And let's see, here the market broke the Kumo and then it just went up this way very strong. I think this was due to news, but maybe you could exit with a break even at least. And here also Kumo breakout worked. So looks like Kumo breakout has been working on the Euro USD in 1 hour. So this time it may work. Yeah, so wait for the Kumo breakout and sell will be the right call, I think. Okay, alert says, do you use volume analysis with Ichimoku to consider buying or selling? No, I don't. I don't use volumes. Yeah, I only use Ichimoku, and in the lower time frames I use the Bollinger Bands and Stochastic, but I don't use the volume analysis. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, Euro Pound is about to break the support, but I think it will take time also. I don't think it's gonna happen today. Okay, let me check 1 hour charts. Let's see, which one looks good in 1 hour? Let's see. Okay, Pound Swiss franc is about to break the resistance. AUD USD may break the Kumo. There was a double top neckline break, so Kumo breakout may be the sell chance. on AUD USD. Let's see. Looks like the other pairs are now ranging. Okay, CAD Swiss franc Kumo breakout happened, so this may be bullish in the short term, but there are some supports, previous supports here. So yeah, the sellers might be coming in. So, and this is Swiss franc, and lower time frames may get spiky. So not a good pair. And Swiss franc JPY in 1 hour is also ranging. Ichimoku says I shorted CAD JPY sell earlier today from around 104.391. So far it's going down. Do you think it will continue down? CAD JPY. I think I checked that before. CAD JPY is 1 hour in the Kumo, so the market can go anywhere. We can't really tell which way it's going. Daily is bearish, so in the long term it's bearish, but it may retrace and go down. So if you want to keep holding a swing, then you need to put the stop loss above here, above the previous resistance 105.89, and keep holding sell. Oh, do I still have the background? Sorry, hold on. Let me close all the windows. Sorry, I'm not hearing my own screen, so sorry about that. Now I close windows, so I don't think you will hear the sound anymore. Oh, VPN worked. Alright, that's good to hear. Good to hear. Yeah, some areas are restricted in YouTube access. So in that case, you can use a VPN and join my communities. Okay. Oh, no more. Alright. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. Let's see. Wong says, if trading in small time frame, can you give me some advice? Which time frames should I use for multiple time frames? Does it different from trend trading in the 4-hour and the daily? I don't scalp. I don't trade in the lower time. I don't trade only in the lower time frames, so I'm not sure. Yeah, but basically I follow the major direction. So for example, when pound USD is bullish, I only look for the buying edge. I only look for the buying edge and look for the buying edge on the lower time frames. That's what I do. Yeah, once I mastered the multiple time frames analysis, my performance got much better. So because I used to only trade in one single time frame, and my stop loss was too wide, and I had to wait for a long time until the market hits the stop loss or goes towards my direction. So yeah, multiple time frame analysis really saved my life. Yeah, otherwise I won't be able to create my own strategy. Manish says, yesterday I took the trade on CAD JPY in a 4-hour. Okay, looks like lots of people trading CAD JPY. 4-hour trend, and I wanted to hold that, but my stop loss hit. Can you please elaborate where should I have placed my stop loss to hold for swing on the chart? So CAD JPY, you took the buy. Yeah, so it depends on the reason why you took the buy, because the stop loss should be based on that reason. If I buy, usually I don't buy, I only sell, but if I buy now, then my stop loss will be below the support, below the previous pushback of 102.58. Yeah, that's the only support I can find. So we have to be reasonably place the stop losses and take entries and exits. All the actions in the trades should be logical and rational and objective. Oh, you sold, okay. Sorry, you sold, okay. You sold, so when you sold it, I would place a stop loss above here, maybe 105.8590 area. But that would be too wide. Let me see. If I take the 1 hour, then yeah, this was the resistances. 105.80 was a resistance, but this was too wide to place. Because it's not going down, it's hard to tell where to put the stop loss. Or maybe above 104.58 would also be an idea for the stop loss. Yeah, but stop losses should be above the resistances. You just pick one of the resistances and put the stop loss. But yeah, make sure you put the stop loss at least, because stop loss is like the seatbelt on the highway. Yeah, if you don't put the stop loss, then you can blow account so easily. And also never go with a big high leverage, never go with a big lot size. Personally, I only use 25, 1 to 25 leverage. But I don't really use max 25. Usually my trades are in between 10 to 20. Okay, Muhammad says CAD franc breaking the support. I sold, but didn't know where to exit and lost a lot of profit. So if you took the sell on the support breakout, and if the market retraces back above support, then you should exit. Because there may be no more bearish waves if you see the previous support breakout. Alright, Alert, you're welcome. And Mars, you're welcome too. Thank you for your comments. Thank you so much. Yeah, gold, I have actually talked about it earlier, but for the new joiners, gold I think is ranging on a daily, but my view is uptrending still, based on the price action. Double top, neckline break, and neckline support, so this is bullish. I'm still looking for the buy chance on gold, which may happen next week. Next Tuesday, Wednesday, if the market start to go up, I will plan to buy. Maximaku, no, I sometimes trade on Monday or Friday when the market's active. But Monday, maybe not. Monday only sometimes I take trades, because Mondays I prefer to take a day off because there are less people in town, in the mall, in the restaurants, and we can enjoy outside on Mondays. But on the weekends, there are lots of people, so I don't want to go out. On Friday, lots of people on outside, so I don't want to go out. So I prefer to trade on Friday. But Monday, because markets tends to be quiet and less people outside, that's why I take Monday as a day off. This is just my preference, just my psychology. But if I see some trendy markets, active markets on Monday, why not taking it? But when I'm outside, usually I am outside, then I don't take trades. Okay, Jitendra says, is there in screener to select out of 4,000 stocks? I don't use a screener, so I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm not really sure because I only trade Forex, these 21 pairs on my watch list. But if I were to trade the stock markets to select which one to trade out of thousands of stock markets, and I should use a screener for sure. But for me, I don't know how to do. I never tried it before. I know there's a function in TradingView for the screener, like stock screener maybe here, but I don't know how to use it. Oh, DS says, in your opinion, does Heikin Ashi present better price action? Heikin Ashi is lagging and it captured the direction of the market, but I prefer price action in candles than Heikin Ashi. Because Heikin Ashi is lagging and you can't see the resistance and support. You can't see, for example, the chart patterns like the N waves or engulfing breakout, doji break, that are my favorites. I can't use that, and I can't draw the lines on the Heikin Ashi. So I prefer candlesticks. And Ichimoku Kinko Hyo lines, the 5 lines of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo are from the candlesticks. So that's why I prefer to use the candlesticks with Ichimoku. Yeah. Also, I use time cycles, and Heikin Ashi won't show time cycles because the highs and lows are different from candles. So my recommendation is to use candles with Ichimoku, not the Heikin Ashi, because you can tell about the direction of the market by Ichimoku lines anyways. So, okay. In an uptrend, we should buy only Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen zone only for the best reward ratio. You can buy technically anywhere, but when it's trending, when it's uptrending, above Tenkan-sen will be, I think, the best ratio. Above Tenkan-sen. So maybe here, along the way up, above the Tenkan-sen will be the best. And when it breaks Tenkan-sen, should be exit. Is the original Ichimoku strategy. Okay, so it's about a time now to end the live. Yeah, Renato, you're welcome. Alright, Race in life, thank you for joining. Good to see you also. And Snell, thank you for subscribing. Great to see you. And Optimus, you're welcome also. Okay, so I think I will end the live in a few minutes. But I hope you have a great weekend, great Friday, and great weekend. And tomorrow, I will be announcing about the new community KTS Academy. So tomorrow is Saturday, markets are closed, so I will either make a video or do the live stream and talk about a new academy which is be launched and on 28th of November next Monday. So please look forward to the information and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so sorry, I think my voice is getting worse now, so I think I should stop now. But yeah, thanks so much everyone, and have a great weekend. And until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Bye for now. またね。Thanks so much.